Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying hardware and settings. This saves time later. First, make sure your Xbox has the latest system update, because compatibility often depends on firmware. Plug a wired USB keyboard into the console or connect a compatible adapter. Wireless dongles can be flaky. Once done, go to Settings, Devices and Connections, then Mouse and Keyboard to enable input and adjust key repeat. Doing this now prevents control issues when you launch Rainbow Six. Now you configure controls inside the game so inputs behave predictably. Open Rainbow Six Siege and navigate to Settings, Controls, then Keyboard and Mouse to remap keys. You do this because default layouts assume PC players. Assign movement, crouch, lean, and gadget keys where your fingers reach easily, and set aim sensitivity to match console aim feel. Once mapped, test in Terrorist Hunt or Casual to refine dead zones and key repeat rates. Finish by validating the full setup and preparing for matches. You should run a warm-up round, adjusting binds and sensitivity until movement and aim feel natural. It's quicker than relearning mid-match. If a key becomes unresponsive, restart the console, unplug and replug the keyboard, then confirm settings still show it enabled. For input lag, switch to a wired keyboard, close background downloads, or move to another USB port. These final checks keep you ready and avoid surprises in ranked play.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.